In this lecture, we'll study about homogeneous solutions for the linear recurrence relation with constant coefficients. So this is a kth order linear recurrence relation with constant coefficients, and we'll find out the homogeneous solutions for this. A homogeneous solution of a linear difference equation with constant coefficients is of the form a into alpha 1 to the power r, where alpha 1 is called a characteristic root and a is a constant determined by the boundary conditions. So substituting a alpha to the power r for ar in the difference equation with right hand side of the equation set to 0, we obtain. So in this difference equation, in place of ar, we'll use a into alpha to the power r. In place of ar minus 1, a into alpha to the power r minus 1, and in place of ar minus k, we have a into alpha to the power r minus k, and the right hand side of this equation is set to 0 because we are calculating the homogeneous solution. So this particular step, so when you divide here, when you divide it by a alpha r minus k, alpha to the power r minus k, then we will get this particular step. So this a into alpha to the power r minus k, a into alpha to the power r minus k will be cancelled out. So here in this term we have only ck. Similarly, here we have a will be cancelled out in each and every term, and alpha to the power r divided by alpha to the power r minus k is equal to alpha k. In this way, all other terms are calculated. Okay, so this is called as the characteristic equation of the difference equation. Okay, if alpha 1 is one of the roots of the characteristic equation, a into alpha 1 to the power r is a homogeneous solution to the difference equation. So this is a kth order characteristic equation. Okay, so we may have some k roots of this particular characteristic equation, and if alpha 1 is one of the roots of the above characteristic equation, then a into alpha 1 to the power r is a homogeneous solution to the difference equation. Okay, so a characteristic equation of kth degree, this is a characteristic equation of kth degree, has k characteristic roots. Suppose the roots of the characteristic equations are distinct, means different roots are there, then we have homogeneous solution ar is equal to a1 into alpha 1 to the power r plus and so on up to ak into alpha k to the power r. Okay, which is also a homogeneous solution to the difference equation where alpha 1, alpha 2 up to alpha k are the distinct characteristic roots of this equation. Okay, of this characteristic equation, and a1, a2, ak are the constants which are to be determined by the boundary conditions. Okay, so let's take an example here. Let's suppose we have recurrence relation. We have recurrence relation ar minus 3 into ar minus 1 plus 2 into ar minus 2 is equal to 0. Okay, so the corresponding characteristic equation of this, so this is a second order recurrence relation. So the corresponding characteristic equation is alpha square minus 3 alpha plus 2 equal to 0. So it can be simplified to alpha 1 into alpha 2 is equal to 0. So here alpha is equal to 1 comma 2, or you can have alpha 1 is equal to 1 comma alpha 2 is equal to 2. Okay, so we can have one of the homogeneous solution as a1 alpha 1 to the power r, which is equal to a1 alpha 1 is 1 to the power r. Okay, so now let us put the value of a1 into 1 to the power r in the seconds relation and check whether this solution satisfy or not. Okay, so we'll put here in place of ar, we'll put a into 1 to the power r minus 3 into, in place of ar minus 1, we'll put a1 into 1 to the power r minus 1 Similarly, 2a1 1 to the power r minus 2, this is equal to, so 1 to the power something is always 1, so it will be a1 minus 3a1, 1 to the power r minus 1 is 1, plus 2a1 1 to the power r minus 2 is 1, is equal to, so see here, this is a1 plus 2a1 is 3a1, okay, so this cancel out, equal to 0. So this particular homogeneous solution satisfy the above recurrence relation. Okay, so we can have another solution, homogeneous solution, as a2 alpha to the power r is equal to a2 2 to the power r. Okay, now let us put the homogeneous solution a2 alpha to the power r, that is equal to a2 2 to the power r in this particular recurrence relation, and check whether it satisfies or not. So in place of ar, we'll use a2 2 to the power r. So here a2 into 2 to the power r minus 3 into a2 2 to the power r minus 1 plus 2 into a2 2 to the power r minus 2 is equal to a2 2 to the power r 3 into a2 2 to the power r divided by 2. So 2 to the power r minus 1 can be simplified as 2 to the power r divided by 2 plus 2 into a2 2 to the power r divided by 2 square. Okay, now you have to simplify this one. So this will be a2 2 to the power r minus 3a2 2 to the power r divided by 2 plus, so this 2 and 1 2 will cancel out, so this will be a2 2 to the power r divided by 2. It becomes, so 2 is the LCM, 2a2 2 to the power r minus plus a2 2 to the power r. Okay, so see here, all this cancel out, so it becomes 0 divided by 2 is equal to 0. So hence we have, this is another homogeneous solution which also satisfy the above difference equation. Okay, now if you use the sum of these two homogeneous solution, then we will get the homogeneous solution as ARH is equal to A1 alpha 1 to the power r plus A2 alpha, so here we have one mistake, and this will be alpha 2. Okay, alpha to the power r. Okay, so we can have, for this example, homogeneous solution is a1 1 to the power r plus a2 2 to the power r. Okay, so this is the homogeneous solution. Okay, so now see here, this particular homogeneous solution satisfy the above difference equation, as well as this particular homogeneous solution satisfy the above difference equation. If you sum it up, sum of the homogeneous solution, then this also satisfy this particular homogeneous solution. Okay, so let me verify whether this sum of the homogeneous solution satisfy this equation or not. Okay, so let me write down this solution once again. Okay, so this is the sum of this homogeneous solution, that is ARH is equal to A1 1 to the power r plus A2 2 to the power r. Okay, so this ARH, it can be written as A1 1 to the power r is 1, so a1 plus a2 2 to the power r. Okay, now let us substitute the value of ar in this particular difference equation. We have to verify whether it is 0 or not. So it will become in place of ar I will put this one. So a1 plus a2 2 to the power r minus 3 into a1 plus a2 2 to the power r minus 1. So here in place of ar minus 1 we will use a1 plus a2 into 2 to the power r minus 1. Similarly, plus 2 a1 plus a2 into 2 to the power r minus 2. So let us open the bracket here. a1 plus a2 2 to the power r minus 3a1 minus 3a2 2 to the power r minus 1 plus 2a1 plus 2a2 2 to the power r minus 2. This equals, so we have a1 plus 2a1 is equal to 3a1. So this is minus 3a1 is there, plus here a2 2 to the power r minus 3a2 2 to the power r divided by 2. So 2 to the power r minus 1 can be written as 2 to the power r divided by 2 plus 2a2 2 to the power r divided by 2 square. Okay, so this cancel out, 1 2 and this 2 will cancel out. So we'll have a2 2 to the power r minus 3a2 2 to the power r divided by 2 plus a2 2 to the power r divided by 2. 2 is the LCM, so I have 2a2 2 to the power r minus 3a2 2 to the power r plus a2 2 to the r. Okay, so this equals to 2a2 2 to the r plus a2 2 to the r is equal to 3a2 2 to the power r minus 3a2 2 to the power r divided by 2. This cancel out, 0 divided by 2 is equal to 0. Okay, so it is verified that sum of the homogeneous solution, that is ARH, is equal to a1 1 to the power r plus a2 2 to the power r is also the solution for this difference equation. Okay, so this is the final solution. So this was for today. Thank you.